of leaders of the MDA and the party presidents from all the parties of the MDA, real parties of the MDA, including our independent MLA from Nongkrem. We have unanimously decided that Dr. Jemino Motho will be a common candidate of the MDA with a UDP party symbol. And from today, we are preparing how to face the election. We are determined that we will win this election
from both the seats.
for both Shillong seat and Tura seat. From Tura, NPP will be NPP candidate. UDP there will support the NPP candidate. And here will be a UDP candidate supported by all the real parties of the MDA, including independent MLA. BJP,
They will come.
they will go their own way because they want to maybe take a different stand on this.
Contest, but
He is a president. Yeah.
NPP will contest, but the candidate will let you know later.
No, but you have decided already.
I don't know. Decide, but you have to sit as well.